I went from creating 3 videos per week to creating 3 videos per day using technology that didn't even exist a year ago. But here's the crazy part. Not only did I 10 times my video production speed, the production quality actually looks dramatically better than it ever did before. The 2 technologies I'm talking about are AI video avatars and synthetic media video automation. In this video, I'm going to show you the formula you can start using today to dominate your niche and leave your competitors in the dust. Even if you only use one of these tools, your life as a content creator will become infinitely easier. Let's start with the real powerhouse. Synthetik Media. This is an app that turns a simple video of you talking into a scroll-stopping blend of captivating visuals, text slides, and automated captions. In fact, every video on this channel, including this one, uses this technology. I actually stopped editing videos 6 months ago when I first started using this tool. Since then, I've been able to focus entirely on the content itself, which is what being a creator is really about. Here's what using Synthetik Media looks like. After you create an account, simply click Create New Project. You'll then be asked if you want to use an existing video or create a new avatar video. We'll get to option number 2 later in this video. For now, let's use an existing video. Once your video is uploaded, you'll be given the option to select an existing theme or handpick the types of visuals you want to see in your video. If your script contains data and numbers, you'll want to explore the Data Visuals section here. Most creators will find that simply selecting a few templates from the Text Templates section is more than enough to create a blast of dopamine for your viewer. Now the fun part that really lets you customize the feel of your video is choosing your background colors. You can select up to 4, and they'll be randomized throughout your video. Once you've selected the templates and background colors you want to use, simply click Next, then Create Project. When your video is finished generating, you can download it immediately. Or if you want to make changes, you can open the project and regenerate any of the segments. You can even take it a step further and use the AI video generation function to create almost anything you can imagine. It's basically the ultimate B-roll machine. Once you're done editing, just click Export. You can even upscale your video to 4K. Synthetik Media alone is enough to supercharge your videos, launching you ahead of 99% of creators. But if you really want to unlock superhuman production speed, you need to start using an AI avatar. AI avatars have gotten so good that 98% of people can't tell them apart from real humans anymore. They literally pass what's called the visual Turing test, which is a fancy way of saying they look completely real. We're talking about avatars that have natural skin texture, realistic eye movements, and subtle facial expressions that mirror exactly how you actually talk. This isn't the uncanny valley stuff from a few years ago. This is technology that genuinely fools the human eye. So here's where it gets powerful for content creation. You can create a clone of yourself using your real voice, or you can create an army of avatars, each representing a different demographic in your niche. Imagine having one avatar for young adults, one for parents, one that speaks Spanish. You get the point. This is truly the ultimate scaling hack. There are multiple tools on the market today that allow you to create convincing avatar videos. But since we're already using Synthetik Media, I'll show you how to do it here. First, go back to the New Project button, and this time select New Avatar Video. You'll then have the option to upload a photo of yourself or your desired avatar. Once you've chosen an image, you can select a voice for your avatar. If your account is new, you'll need to add a voice using an 11 Labs voice ID. This is actually easier than you might think. Go to 11labs.io, click on the Explore tab, then filter the voices by male or female. Next, preview the different voices until you find one you like. When you find the right voice, click the 3 dots on the far right and select Copy Voice ID. Now, go back to Synthetik Media and paste that voice ID into the box. Next comes the fun part. Write your script. Once you finish your script, click Next, and you'll once again have the option to select a theme or customize your video with templates, just like we did earlier. And that's it.
Hi, I'm Abby. I'm a social media expert during the day, and I fight crime at night.
In just a few minutes, you can have a fully produced, long-form video that performs as well as, or better than, most traditional videos. This method of creation is going to become the norm, and when it does, the internet will be flooded with content. That's exactly why it's smart to establish yourself early. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. That's all for today. See you next time.